Good good early evening. Good evening, YouTube friends. It's getting dark here. My wife is here in the garden and she's the one who's going to harvest our Black Beauty eggplants. But before going there, I'll show you some of the developing why developing fruits here. Look at that. Oh, they're healthy and gorgeous. This are F1 hybrid. So the size is a bit long but thin. But this one, yeah. You harvest the tomato as well. And yeah, here. What do you think? We will harvest that one too?
No, lagi.
Okay. So this is the big mama. Okay, mommy, you harvest that, please.
Like this.
Yeah. And that's good for torta, nah?
Huh?
What do you think?
I don't know. Ano.
It's our first harvest, YouTube friends. Oh,
I
kindly
think
hold
we
it.
can get that one na kaya.
Yeah.
It's like this pala.
Yeah,
Ang iniisip ko is like in the lotat.
it's a different. The one is more
It's
beautiful.
like flower.
Yeah,
It's like
maybe you can harvest that one because this size, YouTube friends, supposed to grow bigger, but since these eggplants were like left to die because I was so busy with the grading for the final examination, and only to check it out that all the leaves dried already, and that two fruits were already like developed that time, but I never thought that it can be rescued. So I'll try to water them down again, and now we've got it now, and there are more coming. So hopefully Mama will be able to see. What about the tomato? The tomato. Ah, okay, let me do this and then come. So this is really cedar. Maybe you hold the camera.
no, I'm going to harvest this.
Ah, go there. And that music again. Yeah, I never thought that we could still harvest a few tomato, YouTube friends. But I'll be planting new variety, and I'm sure that variety maybe can resist against the disease. I think you cut the whole cluster because it's already ripe. We will get the other one next week so that we still have tomatoes. What do you think the other two there? Huh? Okay. So it's good to have your own garden, YouTube friends, though it's not that easy to start. But this is all what we've got. We have these tomatoes and this Black Beauty eggplant. So these are ready for cooking maybe tonight or tomorrow early morning. So thank you once again, YouTube friends, and I'd like to see you all in the next vlog. Bye.